Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use checklist in Jira. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, let's start by navigating to your Jira home. On the left panel, you'll see an option called Apps. Give it a click, and then select Explore More Apps. This is where you can discover various add-ons, and today we'll specifically look for one called Checklist for Jira. By incorporating this tool, you'll enhance your task management capabilities significantly. Once you've found Checklist for Jira, go ahead and install it. After the installation is complete, the next step is to head over to your project. You'll notice a new option on the top panel named Checklist. This will be your go-to tool for creating and managing checklists within your tasks. Click on it and you'll see an option to create a template. Let's begin by crafting a template that fits your project needs. Naming your template is an important step as it will help you quickly identify it later. After naming it, it's time to add your checklist items. This can include anything from sending emails to compiling reports. Once you've added all your checklist items, click Save. This ensures that your template is stored for future use. Now that your checklist template is ready, let's integrate it into your workflow. Head back to your board or backlog and open an issue where you want to use this checklist. Within the issue details, you need to click on Apps just under the issue's name and then select Checklist. You'll notice that a checklist section appears within the issue details. This is where the real magic happens. To make use of the template you created, click on the three dots located at the right-hand side and select Load Templates. You'll be presented with a list of templates you've created. Choose the appropriate template for your issue and then click Load Template. This action will automatically fill in the checklist section with the items from your template, turning your issue into a structured set of tasks. And that's it. So that is how you can use checklist in Jira. So that's all for this video. Thanks.